This is a YouTube channel I started just under 2 months ago, and so far it has accumulated $15,000 in the last 28 days. Now, first off, I'm going to go ahead and show you this is actually in USD and not in some weird currency, and I'm going to go ahead and reload my screen. And over here you can see everything is still intact. Now the crazy thing is I built this channel without having to show my face using completely free AI tools. And in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I built this channel, my exact workflow, and how I monetize faceless channels as fast as possible. Now, unlike other videos that speed runs everything so it's interesting enough to get views but don't actually teach people anything, I'm going to take my time to show you all the important details necessary to build something like this. But first, we need a niche. So I found this channel here called Some Unfiltered Guy, and across 10 uploads this channel has accumulated over 336,000 subscribers and over 10 million views. So I went ahead and asked Gemini for an estimate of their earnings, and this channel has realistically earned anywhere from $100,000 to $125,000 just from 10 videos. There's multiple other channels earning anywhere from $10,000 to $25,000 using this same format. So we are going to be modeling this channel. Now, just to be clear, we are not straight up copying their channel, but we are going to take the same structure that's responsible for their success and apply it to ours, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that, which brings us to step number 1, which is creating and optimizing the channel. Now this part is important because it helps the YouTube algorithm know exactly what your channel is about from day one, so it can push your video to the correct audience. So simply come over to your YouTube homepage and click on your profile. Once you click on that, click on create a channel. Now for the name, I've prepared this prompt right here and it's going to be linked down in the description. So go ahead and copy the prompt, and once you copy the prompt, you want to pull up Gemini because that's what we're going to be using for this video. So go ahead and paste in this prompt and click on send. Now once the names are generated, you can go ahead and choose one that sticks out to you. In this case, I'm going to go with the first one called Uncut Growth, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that in, and I'm going to go ahead and see if the handle is available. Next, you want to go ahead and click on create channel, and once you click on that, your channel will be created. Next, you want to go ahead and brand the channel. Now for that, you want to pull up the refresh channel and play one of their videos. So I'm going to play this one, and what I'm looking for is a standalone stick figure just like this. Now once you have this, you want to basically go ahead and snip this, and you want to go ahead and save this. Now once you save this, you want to open up Chrome and you want to search for flow and click on the first link. From here, you want to click on new project, and you want to go ahead and pull up this prompt right here, which is the logo prompt. So literally copy this prompt and paste it inside of Google Flow, and then upload the image you just snipped. So I'm going to do that real quick, and I want to add this to my prompt and click on send. So this is going to be our base character. So once we have this, we want to go ahead and click on the base character, and we want to go ahead and paste in this basic prompt. Now I'm going to go ahead and send this. So once I have this, I'm going to go ahead and click on download on the top, and I'm going to go ahead and save this. Next, I want to head over to my YouTube account here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on customize channel. And from here, you want to scroll down here and you want to go ahead and upload your logo. So I'm going to upload mine, and I'm going to go ahead and align this to fit perfectly. And from here, I want to go ahead and click on done. Now I want to go ahead and put together a banner. So for that, you want to head over to Canva. Once you're on Canva, you want to click on create on the top. And by the way, you can do this with the free version. You're not going to have to pay a single cent for any software all throughout this video. So I'm going to go ahead and search for YouTube banner, and I want to go ahead and click on this one. So once this opens up, you want to click on template here, and you want to go ahead and drag any of these random templates in, and we're going to use this to guide us to create our banner. So go ahead and click on test and drag in a test in here, and you want to go ahead and do something like subscribe. Next, we are going to go ahead and upload our stick figure by clicking on upload and uploading our stick figure here. And now I'm going to drag this straight to our design here, and we are going to duplicate this by clicking on the plus on the top, send this here, and click on flip and flip this horizontally. So now we are going to kind of resize this, and don't worry, you see exactly where this is going. So you can click on the text here and change the font to whatever you like. After that, you want to go ahead and delete the main design. So I'm going to get rid of the main design by highlighting everything and clicking on delete. And from here, I want to change the color to white. And lastly, I want to go ahead and click on the background and set everything to black. So just like that, we have a banner. So once you have this, you want to basically go ahead and click on share, click on download, and download your banner. And once you download your banner, you want to head straight to your YouTube account, and you want to go ahead and upload your banner right here. And after that, you want to go ahead and click on done, and you want to go ahead and click on publish. Okay, so once you have your banner and logo locked in, you want to go ahead and add your description. So I went ahead and I take complex things and explain them in a simple way. Now you don't have to sweat this part because this is not what actually determines whether or not you get views. So we're going to scroll down here here, you're going to be asked to put in your contact email. And next, you want to go ahead and upload your watermark. Now go ahead and click on upload here, and you can upload the exact image you used for your logo. Go ahead and click on done, and this is exactly how it's going to look to the viewers that are watching your videos. So once you have this locked in, you basically want to go ahead and click on publish. After that, you want to go ahead and verify your channel. So come down here and click on settings, click on channel and feature eligibility. Now click on this drop down, and you want to go ahead and verify your number. This allows you to upload videos longer than 15 minutes and custom thumbnails. Now this is important because we obviously want to be able to upload thumbnails and longer videos. So basically go ahead and verify that by clicking on verify phone number, and you can actually use your local phone number to verify this. So once you're done verifying your phone number, you basically want to go back over here. You're going to see features enabled. Once you're done with all of this, you can come down here and click on view channel, and you are going to see exactly how your channel is going to look like. So look how professional this looks. Now there's a lot more stuff that you can do to optimize your channel, but that's not what actually gets you views. So once you're done with this, you want to move over to the next step, and the next step is to start creating content for the channel. Now you need to follow along carefully, because if you miss some important steps, you are going to end up making bad videos that no one wants to watch. And if your video sucks, well, you just have a fancy channel that doesn't get views. So come back to the prompt document and scroll down and locate this section and copy this entire prompt right from the system identity, and copy everything all the way down. So once you copy the prompt, open up Gemini, and you want to go ahead and launch this prompt. Once you do, you want to come down here and click on this drop down and set this on flash 3.5 extended. So once you do that, go ahead and send this, and once you do, it's going to ask you for some details of the channel. Now pull up your reference channel. In this case, we are using the Unfiltered Guy channel. So go ahead and copy the channel URL, open up Google Docs and open up a new document. So you want to be like channel URL, paste this in, video title, go back to the reference channel, click on their video section and set this on the most popular video. Now we are doing this because we want to feed the AI so it knows exactly how to create high performing videos. Just wait till you see the type of videos that this AI is going to be able to create for us. So I'm going to go ahead and play one of these, and I want to go ahead and copy this title, come back to our document here and paste this in, click on enter, and next you want to come back to the reference channel again and click on their description section, scroll all the way down and click on show transcript. Now you want to go ahead and click on these three dots, click on toggle timestamps and copy everything they have here. So once you copy everything, you want to come back to your document here, right click and click on paste without formatting. Now if you go ahead and just paste it in, it's going to be pasted in a weird way and it's going to look something like this. Now you want to go ahead and do this for 5 to 6 videos. Now I've already done this and I have my profile right here. So once you have your channel profile, you just want to go ahead and name this file profile, and once you do, you want to go ahead and click on file and click on download, and want to download this as a PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and download mine actually. Once you have the profile right here, you want to come back to the AI and upload this profile to the AI. So go ahead and upload the file. And once you do, you want to go ahead and click on send. Now the AI is going to analyze things like the niche content category, the target audience, the writing style, the hook structure, and it also extracts the retention technique. So just scroll down and type confirm and click on send. So down here is going to provide you with multiple video ideas. So you just want to go ahead and pick the one that sticks out to you. In my case, I'm going to be going with the second one because I feel like this idea is pretty strong. So I'm going to go ahead and type in number 2 because that's what I'm choosing for this video and click on send. So down here is going to provide you with the details. So over here you can see the niche category, the target viewer profile, the hook strategy, the retention techniques, and everything that it's going to put together to make the video successful. So I'm going to go ahead and type confirm and click on send. So down here is going to provide you with a full script, and over here is going to tell you the total word count of the video and the total range of the video. Now if you don't like any part of this workflow sequence, you can literally come down here and tell the AI to rewrite the script or whatever, and it's going to go ahead and do that for you. Now this script actually looks pretty decent to me, so I'm going to go ahead and copy the entire script, and I'm going to go ahead and save it on a document. Now this is going to be our script, but you can go ahead and modify it however you want if that's what you want to do. Now we have our script locked in. We want to come back to our prompt here and type approved. Now down here is going to ask us for our visual style. Now come back to this channel, open up one of their videos and screenshot parts of the videos. So pull up your snip tool and take a screenshot. Copy the screenshot, come back to your AI and paste it in. So you basically want to do 3 to 6 of these. So I'm going to go back, find another section, screenshot it, copy, go back and upload this, and you basically want to go ahead and do like 3 to 6 of this. So once you have the visuals, you want to go ahead and click on send, and once you click on send, it's going to analyze the visuals and it's going to ask you to confirm if you like what it has done. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm. So down here is going to provide you with all the image prompts for the video. But before we proceed, we want to go ahead and generate our voiceover. So search for Google AI Studio voiceover. and click on the first result. From here, you just want to go ahead and click on any of these, and you want to remove all the customizations and paste in your script. So I'm going to go ahead and copy parts of this script, come back to Google Studio and paste it in. Now from here, you can come down here and kind of select the voices to anyone you need. So there's a ton of things that you can customize when it comes to Google AI Studio, but we're just going to keep this simple so I don't end up confusing some of you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and click on run.
Let's be real. You're not bad at consistency because you're broken or the universe is plotting against you.
So this is what we got. So once you have this, you can literally come down here, click on download, and you're going to have your voiceover. Once you have your voiceover, you want to go ahead and start generating your visuals. So come over to Gemini and copy your prompt, go back to Google Flow and paste it in. Now click on this plus and add your base character and click on add prompt. Now click on the settings. Set this on 1 and click on this drop down and put this on Nano Banana Pro. Then scroll down and click on save and go ahead and send this. So once your first image has been generated, you want to come back to Gemini and copy your second prompt and go ahead and generate that as well. So I'm going to paste this in and go ahead and send it. So you want to basically go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of the image prompt. So I'm going to do that real quickly and I'm going to get right back into the video. So basically once you're done generating all the images, you want to go ahead and click on the three dots and click on download, and you want to basically download all your images. And next you want to go ahead and put everything together inside of CapCut. So go ahead and click on import and import your audio and all your images. So next you want to drag and drop in your voiceover, and next you want to drag and drop your images into the timeline. Now you want to make sure that your images actually syncs with your script. For that, drop in your second image exactly where the second script starts and actually cut the first image to stop where the first one stopped. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop in all my images to keep the video going. So once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on export. Once you click on that, give your file a name. So I'm going to be like video 1. Once you do that, go ahead and click on export. So I'm going to go ahead and play this.
Let's be real. You're not bad at consistency because you're broken or the universe is plotting against you.
Now, this is just a demo video, but in your case, you obviously want to go ahead and generate the full video. So once you have your video, you want to come back to your prompt and you want to scroll all the way down and type in proceed. Now, you're going to be provided with all the metadata you need to upload your video straight to YouTube. So scroll all the way down here, and over here, you're going to see your thumbnail prompt. Go ahead and copy that. Once you copy that, come back to Flow. Paste this in, click on plus and add your base character and click on add to prompt. Now go ahead and send this. So just like that, we have a thumbnail. Now we want to go ahead and upload our video. So open up the YouTube account and click on create on the top and then click on upload video. Now I understand the fact that most people already know how to upload these videos, but you still need to pay attention so you know exactly how to optimize these videos. So go ahead and click on select files and upload your video. While it's uploading, you want to come back to Gemini and grab the rest of the metadata. So over here, you're going to see the description. Go ahead and copy that and paste that in, and if you scroll up here, you're going to see multiple video titles that it has provided us. So pick the one that sticks out to you. So in this case, I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go ahead and paste that in here. Next, we want to scroll down here, and over here we're going to need our thumbnail. So come back to Flow and click on the three dots and download your thumbnail. Now come back to YouTube and upload your thumbnail. So next, you want to scroll down here and want to set this on no, it's not made for kids, and click on next. Click on next again and again, and you want to go ahead and set this on public and go ahead and publish your video. And once you do, your video is going to be live and you can potentially start getting views. So smash thumbs up button if you got value out of the video and sub to the channel. And with all that said, I'm going to talk to every one of you all in the next video. Peace.